if you see here, we have some 4 columns. Okay, in the all 4 I have written the some week and serial numbers. Now if you see here, all are in the black color, right? So now I want to change the color of each package. Okay, now what I will do, first I will select first block, this one. And if you see here, you have an option called A. Okay, this is the font color. If you see here, this will show you font color. Okay, just scroll down it and select whichever the font you want. Now I am selecting blue, so this turned into blue. Again I will select the second set. Again I will come here and I will select red this time. Okay, so this turned into red. Now I will select the fourth block, third block. I'll go to yellow color this time. Okay, it will be not that much visible. Okay, green. I'll select the green. See, this turned into green now. And again I'll select the fourth one. I'll go here and this time we'll select orange. See, this is how we can change the color of the text. Otherwise you can do one thing also, just select it, right click here, also you will get the option. No need to only go there. Here I'll change this one red. Otherwise if you want more colors, means you can come here, you can make custom colors also, whichever you want. Based on that you can select. And if you come here in standard, already see this one, so many colors are available here. I'll select pink. See, this is how colors are changed in the Excel for the text. Okay.